Okay, I just stumbled upon this resiprocate project, and it's got this massive SIP stack. Like it covers everything from proxy servers to media stacks.
Wait, are you saying they have a complete SIP library? That's wild. SIP stands for Session Initiation Protocol, right?
Exactly, it's like the backbone of voice communication over the internet. But what really caught my eye was how they integrate different components.
Right, like the Recon library, which combines SIP user agents with media support. That's a big deal for developers.
Totally, but I wonder how user-friendly it is. I mean, you can dive into SIP without a media stack, but does that complicate things?
It could, users might end up missing essential features. But then again, it allows for flexibility. It's like choosing a base for your pizza.
Haha, true, a plain crust versus a loaded one. And what about their stun-turn server applications? Those are crucial for NAT traversal.
Exactly. The return component is pivotal. Without it, connections can be a nightmare behind firewalls. It's essential for reliable communications.
So they really seem to cover a lot of ground, but I wonder if the documentation is up to scratch. That's often a make or break factor.
Good point. Many open source projects struggle there. They might have solid code but lack clear guidance. That can frustrate newcomers.
Right? It's like having a great tool but no instructions. That said, the community support might help bridge that gap.
Absolutely. A robust community can provide troubleshooting and insights. But then again, the learning curve can still be steep.
Exactly, and speaking of learning, have you seen their CMake setup? It looks a bit complex at first glance.
They have two methods, in-tree and out-of-tree builds. It's nice to have options, but that can confuse users.
True, and what about the dependencies? There's a long list of required packages that can be a barrier for some.
Yes, if you're not familiar with certain libraries, it can feel like a scavenger hunt, but it's a good challenge for experienced devs.
Definitely, still it's a bit off-putting for beginners, they might feel overwhelmed, but then there are optional packages too.
Yeah, like the MySQL client or GStreamer support. Those features can enhance functionality, but aren't necessary for every user.
It's like having a toolbox where you can pick and choose what you need, but wouldn't it be nice if they provided default presets?
For sure, presets would simplify setup drastically, but I suppose they want to maintain flexibility for diverse use cases.
That's fair. Now about building on Windows using Visual Studio, does it complicate things further?
It might. Visual Studio can be a bit clunky for CMake projects. Many prefer command line setups for speed.
But some developers love the visual aspect. I guess it depends on personal preference. So which method do you lean towards?
I tend to go for the command line. It feels more streamlined, but I see the appeal of the GUI for debugging.
Totally, it's like some people prefer reading a book while others like audiobooks. Both have their merits.
Exactly, and the configuration flags are intriguing too. Users can tweak their builds based on needs.
Yeah, but I wonder how intuitive those flags are. Does the average user even know what half of them do?
Good question. Too many options can lead to paralysis by analysis. Clarity in documentation is key.
Right, and what's impressive is how they support creating installable packages with CPAC.
That's a huge advantage. It makes distributing the software easier, but I hope they handle cross-platform compatibility well.
Exactly, if not, that could frustrate users. I mean, who wants to deal with version conflicts?
For real, cross-platform issues can be a nightmare. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole.
Haha, I love that analogy, but seriously, I'm curious about their future considerations. Any hints there?
They didn't go into detail, which is a bit concerning. Future-proofing is essential in tech,
True, staying agile is vital, especially in a fast-evolving field like SIP communications.
and they definitely have potential. I mean, the structure and libraries are impressive overall.
Absolutely, they've laid a solid foundation, but I wonder how they plan to keep evolving.
That's the million-dollar question. Only time will tell if they can adapt to user needs and tech changes.
It'll be interesting to watch, but for now, I'm excited to explore more about what they've built.
Me too. It's a fascinating space, and I can't wait to see how it develops. So much potential.